Go.
Alright, so we got an M14 M1A here, shooting 7.62 NATO 308. This is actually a 308 round. Not much difference other than the casing's a little bit thicker so it can hold higher charges. We're shooting downrange at 100 yards. I have a tiny little black circle down here. I don't know if you can get the camera zoomed in on it. Maybe see it. It might not be that clear. We're trying to hit that with iron sights, and it's hell because it's a blur. It's so small. But we're trying our best here with some. We got 150 grain 308. We got 168. So far, it is $14.59 a box. Fiocchi ammo has been worth every penny. I ordered 200 rounds of it. So we're going to put a little show here to see if we can hit something downrange. See if the camera can catch that too. I don't know if it can. Alright, again, it's a Springfield M1A at the Mossy Oak stock. And I've got it pretty much zeroed to my eye at this point. It's pretty hard to get what I'm trying to do out of it, but out of scope. I'm going to put about 6 rounds down, and then we're going to stop, take a look. There's one. There's two. Always got to have the proper sight picture when you're doing this. And if you notice, I have my thumb on my nose where the stock starts arching up, so I know where to put my face every time. Also doesn't help that the sunlight's hitting my front sight post, making it bright with the white paper. That's what, 3 or 4? And we are out. So what we're going to do now is take a look down there. 2 of the 4 or 5 rounds I hit dead center. The rest of them are clustered around the middle. Can't quite walk down there because someone's shooting right now over at the pistol range. So we'll take pictures and post that later.